Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today we are doing a get it all done. My house is a disaster and I'd love to show you our new product that we just got in. Big shout to NewAir for sponsoring today's video. I will show you and talk to you a little bit more about their awesome company and the new product that they sent over. Without further ado, let's get some motivation and let's get right into this. So today we are focusing on the first floor of the home. As you can see, the laundry just piles up. There are beads on the floor, a Target order that has not been moved. As you can see, the kids got into a lot and I just have not had a chance to keep up. Of course, I look away for a second and this disaster happens. So I am trying my best here. There's those leftover potato skins. I believe that was the day we were meal prepping. So a big deal for us anyways, but I don't know what happened. I don't have any excuses except for I need to get this done. So I'm going to start with my kitchen table. I always start here just to have a clean slate, and I am moving our new NewAir product into the corner of our home there. So all I'm doing is starting off with my kids' toys and trying to find a better system here. If anyone has any suggestions, let me know, because I'm always open for suggestions on organization, especially when it comes to kids' toys.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from the start this might be overrated. It's so typical, you wanna give you one more try, even though if your mind is telling you it's all a lie.
All right, here is all set up and ready to go out of the box. It is NewAir's 24-inch French door wine and beverage fridge. I had mentioned that I am starting to make my own wine and cider. I will have a video all on that coming here soon. And NewAir wanted to send this on over for us to give it a try. I am in love with it. It is so beautiful. It really complements this space. It holds 60 cans in the left zone and then 20 bottles in the right zone. It does feature dual temperature zones, and storing wine is a lot different than storing beer, especially cider. There are a lot of different temperatures going on with all of those, so I really appreciated that you could take each side and make it into whatever temperature you needed. So this can be freestanding or you can build it in to your cabinetry. I would love to do that someday. And with NewAir's warranties and just awesome customer service, I know that this product will last me until we get that home that we've always dreamed of. So I am setting this up here. It really does not require a lot of assembly. All you're doing is screwing your handles on, and it comes with everything that you need. I did this by myself with a toddler's help, we shall say, but I really did appreciate this feature. They are two locks. They lock on each side. I am loving that, especially with two toddlers that are so curious about everything that I am doing in the kitchen and the dining room. So both of these lock, and that is just such a special feature.
Away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, no. I don't believe you, no.
I did want to point out that you are just pulling out that backing, and that will give you access to the holes that you need to screw these into. After allowing the refrigerator to stand upright for 24 hours, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. All you have to do is unscrew this little panel here and remove the cord from the back and then screw it back on. It is so simple and it quickly cools. I was shocked at this, but I mean, I shouldn't have been. I have NewAir's freezer and I have a mini fridge from them, and all of them were pretty quick to cool. Classically, we are dry white wine drinkers, and this is going to vary on who you are or where you are in the world, but I am setting mine at 50. I really enjoy champagne, and that is my drink of choice when it comes to all of the sparkling goodness. And then my husband enjoys IPAs. Of course, I do too, but I'm setting that at 40, and we are going to get going here. I am locking this up just to get myself into the routine of doing so. I think it's such a valuable asset to this piece of equipment, and I am loving that. I can't say it more. In the spirit of getting it all done, I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down. I am using that Norwex window wipe. I am not affiliated with them in any way. I got these as a gift and I love them. I just use water, and there are different cloths for different parts of the home, but it just gets off everything that you need it to. So here is everything set up. I have 3 bottles of white in there, soon to be a full fridge. I'm really excited to get my cider canned and into this dual fridge. I will say I have access to a canner. I worked in the brewery business for a very long time, and I am lucky enough to know some people still in the business. So I have access to that. You could certainly bottle them and then move them to canning, but right now we are filling it up with all of this variety. We have people come and stay with us often, and they drink differently than me. And then this is my saver, I will call it. I worked for Boulder Beer, if you're familiar. We had our 40th anniversary, I believe, 3 years ago, and they gave us all these bottles, and I am waiting on a rainy day to go ahead and drink that. I have all sorts of different brews in here. I was lucky enough to trade different brews when I worked in the industry, and I'm just loving that I have a place now to put these that is at a safe temperature, to be honest with you. And look at it, it is stylish. So NewAir is offering a 10% discount code, and you can use this on their website. Just follow all of the links in my description box. Thank you again, NewAir. You just made our month. This is such a stunning feature, and I can't wait to use it during the holidays. Now that the dining room is clean and all set up, I am going to go ahead and get started on the kitchen. I am just wiping down all of my counters. I got them nice and clean. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent because I can't get enough of it. Typically, I'm using vinegar, distilled water, and a little bit of essential oil, but during the fall, I use the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent. Shout out to Colleen for just knowing me well and grabbing me a few extra bottles. I could not find any in my area, but I am lifting everything up and wiping under it. This is your motivation to do the same, because sometimes I do wipe around things, which is not helpful for the kitchen, especially during this holiday season where I am in the kitchen all the time and loving every minute. But I go ahead and do my cooktop here. It doesn't get too messy. I wouldn't say it's spotless, but that Mrs. Meyer's is an all-purpose cleaner. So you could use degreaser on here if you wanted to, but I am not. I am moving on to the kids' room. They cleaned up their toys. They folded their blankets in the best toddler way they could, and I am loving that they want to help. So I am just getting these blankets kind of resituated and getting the clothes put away so I can move on to the next room. And here it is. It's as good as it's gonna get. I think it looks nice and cozy. I love that they share a room. They are truly bonding in here, and it's just really nice to see. It's really nice to be home and see this. So now I'm moving on. I am just cleaning underneath my dining room table here, and then I am going to put a tablecloth on. Fun fact, this dining room table was 99 cents. It is from Target technically, but I got it at the Goodwill. And then I went on the website later on that day, and it ended up being a $300 table. It does have a nick in it, which is why I put a tablecloth on it. I love wood. I really do. And I'd love to have it out and about, but we just haven't gotten a chance to fix that nick. It's really not a nick, it's a huge bump in the middle of the table. I got a late start to this, but here's what we're working with right now. I feel so much better being able to actually walk through here and get to that NewAir dual fridge. I'm really excited about that. And I have set up some more fall decor, got a new candle. I organized our records, but I didn't get the laundry done. I'm trying to keep it real life with you here. I don't want you to think that I have time to spend an entire day cleaning the home. We have things to do. I love playing with my kids, and that takes up majority of my time, but I got the essentials done. So this is a 2-day project here. I have everything wiped down, and then here is another real life. I have dishes every single day. I run my dishwasher once a day. I try and do the best that I can, but a good little snap clean is gonna fix this right up. So I hope you enjoyed getting it all done with me. Stay tuned for part 2. We're doing the basement. Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this Get It All Done. I hope it inspired you to take some time for yourself and get your home and space organized. Thank you again to NewAir for sponsoring today's video. So kind of you. Please check out my description box for a percentage off your order. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.